Welcome to my new tutorial. In this video, I will cover how to install UTAX LP-3030 and 4030 printer on a computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require a driver. I will show you which driver you will require. Please look at the screen. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, you just right click on that and click on extract to. It will create a folder and unzip all the files in this folder. Open up the folder. Double click on the subfolder. These are the driver file, the basic driver file. We will use these drivers later when we install it manually. So please close it for now. Let's start installing the drivers manually. Click on Start button and then click on Settings. And then click on Devices. And then click on Printer and Scanners. And then click on the plus icon. Add a local printer or scanner. Then click on the link. The printer that I want is not listed. Choose the last option, add a local printer, and then click on Next. Now it is asking to choose the port where your printer is connected right now. So I recommend you to choose USB 001. Then click on Next. Now click on Have This and click on Browse. And go to the location where we have extracted the drivers. Open this folder, open 64-bit, open this one and choose the last option, INF driver, and then click on Open. Then click on OK. Please choose UTAX from the left side, and from the right side choose the model number of your printer. Scroll down. This one, 3030 printer, and click on Next. After that, click on Next again. It is installing the drivers, so please wait here. Please choose the first option, do not share this printer, and then click on Next. After that, click on Finish. Go to the printers page and check whether the printer has been installed or not. This is the printer, the LP-3030 and LP-4030 printer has been installed successfully. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video, if you find this video useful, please hit like, share and subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye bye.